I have a cold. Remember when you could just get a common cold? It was like no big deal, it was like normal. That's what I had. So anyways, got a pretty fun video today. My buddy Ryan called me up and was like, hey, my Xbox controller broke and I need you to fix it. I was like, hell yeah, I'm on my way. So I went and grabbed it. Footage might be a little bit choppy. Had a couple fiascos. Nothing too bad or too crazy. It just, I lost some footage. My solder sucker kind of left us halfway through taking the joystick out, which is actually what I'm doing on it. I'm changing out the joysticks. I already got it back to him. He's very happy. So let's get down to it. But before we do that, go ahead and click that bell icon and subscribe if you want. If not, no big deal. I would like if you did, but either way. So let's get down to it. Okay, so here we are. Never really done one of these, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. I started to take this off. All I did was took and kind of pried in between this front plate here. And I think we just about got it. It took a while. And like I said, this isn't mine, so I don't want to go all willy-nilly and breaking anything. That's interesting. Huh, just some sticky. And these are the security bits. I could go into the whole spiel about how getting around that. There's a couple of good videos on YouTube you can check out. We're just going to use a T8 security bit that is designated for it. And before I forget, it's always good to go to the dollar store or Poundland and get one of these little divided storage boxes. They come in handy. Or whatever, Walmart, whatever comparable thing you have to that. You can get them there. You can get them anywhere. You could probably make one if you really wanted to. Okay, I think that's all of them. And like I had mentioned, I'm sure I've mentioned, the problem he's having is with his joysticks, not with the X and Y potentiometers, but actually with this button or this switch on this left one here. Just, I guess, going too hard in the paint. Okay. So this is the board we're going to be taking off. We have to desolder these rumble packs. Now, a good thing about videotaping these is that you have, you know, some type of reference to go back to. It's always good to take a picture of everything before you start desoldering, just so you know that everything's going back in the right spot. We're getting there. That's what the back looks like, if anyone was ever interested in wondering. That's the battery, I think. I don't know, I'm a PlayStation person, so I've never had I just lost something. Whatever was rattling around in there, I lost. I'm gonna go hunt for it. It's a piece of plastico. Lucky for me, that was already in there, so. But alright, I guess let's keep chugging on. It is a T6, okay, cool. I'll put this one in a separate spot. Okay. 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 I think I see what's going on here. There we go. Carefuling in progress. Okay. That makes much more sense. So, okay. I had to watch a video and figure out how to get them off of there. But what they do is they actually just screw off. This is the one he was having a problem with. I actually broke that off in there. But let me show you if that ever happens. Alright, well I can't find it. But basically this little piece kind of just broke off because this is the one that he was having a problem with anyways. And man, it didn't turn. The whole thing turned out. But this whole piece will come out. Just go ahead and take a pliers, grab that end, and then go ahead and grab another pair of pliers or channel locks, and then grab that, and then just it'll twist right off. They have some thread locker in there. Makes them really hard to get off. So now we should just be able to bump the camera. Give her a little pry. A little Richard Pryor. She should pop up like that. Something like that. Okay. What you can do is just kind of get up under there and so just kind of pop it off. It just comes right off. So there's those two. Okay. Now, yeah, I think it is going to be easier just to desolder these. There's one. Remember, gray goes on the top, black goes on the bottom. Also, try to be very careful and not burning the other wires. Still kind of thinking about not taking these off, but we're gonna go ahead. It's just so easy. Might as well try to stay out of the shot. Okay, super easy. Alright, so now we got her all off. Let's go downstairs and set up some light and go ahead and take these these joysticks off. They're pretty much just potentiometers with buttons in them. I love potentiometers. Love me some pot. Alright, my desoldering gun took a shit on me like midway through this, so pretty good job. Yeah, I think that's enough for tonight. I'm going to probably pack it in and put it all back together tomorrow. Well, alright, sorry for just kind of jumping to it all put together, but this is where I kind of lost some footage. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. And if you want to know how to go about putting it all back together, it's pretty much just the same thing as taking it apart, but in reverse. Just remember to put the wires back. I think it's like black, red, black, gray,